Hello everyone, I am the NSS coordinator of IIT Delhi. So, welcome to the NSS family. I have been associated with various other clubs and groups in IIT Delhi, but let me assure you that this is the most amazing group in IIT, most passionate to work, and most sincere people I've seen in IIT Delhi. So, very happy to say a few words about them. Like, we work in 5 domains: education, environment, innovation, health, and society. And I'm sure somebody else would be giving you glimpses about what we do. I'd just like to say that more than 1,000 students involved, 40,000 hours what we do typically in a year, which is amazing. And other than the regular projects what we do, we have some very special kind of projects. For example, Arohan, which is we teach students of the society where people can't afford high quality education, so we teach them free. Bachpan is the other forum where we try to teach the kids of the construction workers, and we have got two spaces where NSS volunteers inside IIT, where NSS volunteers would go and teach. She Codes, where coding is taught to the female students by NSS students. This is the kind of, and I'd also like to say that we take up very innovative kind of projects. For example, one project what we're doing right now is that it came from some IS officers that there are schools in Delhi where there is problem of infrastructure. So we are trying to now map all the schools in Delhi, the government schools, where really infrastructure is perhaps lacking to certain extent, and we're trying to map them to people who would like to donate to these schools, so that it's a win-win situation for both the parties. So we also organize something called the Kaizen, which I found very unique, which is of a 3 days duration where there is extensive interaction. I invite all of you to come to Kaizen anytime. It happens once in a year, so it's an open invitation to you. Please come. We showcase what we do. We invite people from all other sectors who work in the social sectors to come and share their stories. So it's amazing if you come and see the kind of vibes, the vibration what we have. It's amazing. So other than that, we also publish a coffee table book trying to showcase what we have done every year, and you'll find them in our website. And lastly, I would like to say that you should visit our website. You should visit our website to see what exactly we do. And because I can very well say that it's one of the most researched website, and we have tried to put in a very organized way all the information what we do. Again, let me say all of you that I can very honestly say that this is one forum where students are really motivated, really very passionate to work for the society, and I'm only seeing very bright days for NSS IIT Delhi in the future. So hope we all work together for the society. Thanks for listening.
Hi everyone, this is Vidushi Toshniwal. I was General Secretary of NSS IIT Delhi for the year 1920. NSS IIT Delhi is IIT Delhi chapter of National Service Scheme under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India. Our sole aim is to motivate students at IIT Delhi to indulge in nation-building activities through various events and projects, which are aimed for the benefit of people in and around IIT Delhi. We share the belief that such activities are almost always means of great satisfaction and joy. We run our projects in 5 social domains: education, environment, health, innovation, and society. We have 50 plus collaborations with NGOs, social startups, government organizations, and student bodies. We have a volunteer base of 1,000 plus students from IIT Delhi. Under environment domain, we organized a tree plantation drive in collaboration with Akshay Patra Foundation. We had sessions by young climate activists Aman Sharma and Ridhima Pandey. We also started the initiative of Facts of Friday so that people know something new and interesting about climate change. Our Climate Crusade team designed 20 location-wise customized waste segregation posters which were put at 100 plus sites across IIT Delhi campus. In this tenure, we organized 4 blood donation camps in IIT Delhi campus, which saw 625 plus in-campus donations. We also catered to 30 plus emergency blood requests. We developed new collaborations with AIIMS, IAPH, Datri, Sachi Saheli and Leo Club. We organized dental checkup camps, stem cell registration camps and awareness sessions on menstrual hygiene. A number of movies and documentaries were screened. We organized 2 pan-campus collection drives in summers and winters in which 4 truckloads of clothes were collected amounting to about 250 cloth packages and were donated to Goonj NGO. Apart from 30 regular volunteering projects existing under the umbrella of NSSIT Delhi, several new projects were started in this tenure. She Codes, it was founded along with the alumni of Harvard to bridge gender gap in technology. This project was inaugurated by Shri Manish Sisodia, Deputy CM of Delhi. Along with this, several projects like Kilkari, Umeed Bhawan were started to mentor the underprivileged children. We adapted and helped in this COVID situation. Our volunteers helped in creating e-learning repository comprising of 1000 plus video lectures for 8th to 12th standard students. We also organized several webinar and lecture series online. Our volunteers also helped via the platform of COVID SOS to reach out to senior citizens to help them to get the commodities. NSSIT Delhi was also at the forefront in the implementation of IT Delhi Benevolent Fund scheme. Along with regular volunteering projects and one-time events, NSSIT Delhi also organized its annual social fest Kaizen. It saw participation of 30 plus NGOs, 25 plus student bodies, 5 plus CSRs with a footfall of 1000 plus people. It comprised of workshops, guest lectures, competitions and social convention. NSSIT Delhi also launched its new blog website with restructured volunteering to get good blog contents on the topic of social relevance. Our events and activities are regularly updated on Facebook and Instagram pages and on our website. As we lose ourselves in service of others, we discover our own life and our own happiness. This is the feedback of our volunteers of the experience of working with NSS. Also, as it's truly said, no one can whistle symphony, it takes whole orchestra to play it. So this is our passionate team behind the success of NSSIT Delhi. Also, with the motto of not me but you, I urge everyone to involve in community service activities and do our bit for the society.